Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome to the channel. Thank you for tuning in, my friends. Now, today I want to talk about small YouTubers. Us, small YouTubers. Because I think I've devised a strategy that kind of works, that gets you a lot of views. Because the hardest thing to do as a small YouTuber, as you all know, and I imagine you're a small YouTuber, otherwise you wouldn't be watching this video, now, is to get views, right? Getting views is an absolute nightmare. Like, subscribers are hard to get as well, but, like, they're something that come over time. Views are not something that come over time if you don't do the right videos. The majority of us, 98% of us, do Let's Plays. You know, you can see, like, literally the majority of us do a lot of Let's Plays, right? Now, Let's Plays aren't searchable, so they're not going to get views. But what is searchable is guides and settings videos, right? Now, the strategy that I've kind of come up with allows me to do my Let's Plays, but based on the game I'm playing, lets me break that game up into little pieces. So into a Let's Play lane, and a guide lane, and a settings lane, you know, and where to find the best weapons lane. And you can do that just by playing, making little save points, reloading, and making a new video. So for example, Assassin's Creed, firstly, the 3 best games this works on are brand new games, new releases, because it's a race to get them out. You get your Let's Play done, you're going to want to make as many guys as possible. So, because everyone will be hopping on YouTube to figure out how to do stuff, right? So try and get ahead on that. Up and coming games are amazing, like Valheim. You know, like, for example, Valheim here, you can see best settings is almost on 10k views. That is because I released this best settings video when, and consider I only got 400 subs. So that's a lot of views for my sub base, right? Based on my size on YouTube. What was I saying? I went off topic there and I completely forgot what I said. Right, so that's it. Valheim, I released this when it had 2 million players. When I dropped this video, a week later, Valheim had 5 million players. So all them views are coming in because people are looking for the best settings, because that game is growing and is also blowing up your video. Right, these videos are still getting views. And I can show you here, look. My top 3, look, last 48 hours, these videos are still bringing in views, and they're all guides and settings videos. There is nothing on there. My Let's Plays, they come out and they get views, like initially, but not many after, because Let's Plays aren't searchable and walkthroughs aren't searchable. Let's Plays and walkthroughs are good if you have a big subscriber base, because everyone will see it and jump on it. But no one's going to search for Assassin's Creed walkthrough part 1 unless you're the Radbrad, which we're not. The best thing to do is when you're going through a game, right? So you film episode part 1. I'm going to try and break this down, right? You film episode part 1. During part 1, you come across a weapon that you think, God damn, that's cool. You save it before, right? You do the puzzle or whatever it is you have to do, right? So it's whether how to get a weapon or, you know, a puzzle to, just a general puzzle during the game. Save it before, complete the puzzle. Now you can either watch someone else's guide to figure out how to do it or figure it out yourself. Watch someone else's guide, because most YouTubers copy each other anyway, to be honest, right? That's a known fact, they literally do, right? So once you figure out how to do it, reload that save, and then do it clearly and explain, obviously film a separate video and explain it clearly in a tutorial form and a guide, how to do it, how to get it, stuff like that. Then upload that, make a good thumbnail, right? With the title, don't overcomplicate it, because for a settings video, nobody's going to type in ultimate optimization guide and all this stuff. Like, people aren't going to type that in. You want to think like, what is the average person going to type in? They're going to type in Valheim best settings. They're going to type in how to complete Evaldi's riddles, because that's what they're called. They're going to type in best Warzone PC settings. They're going to type in Valheim best place to build, or how to find Odin's spear Gungnir. That's what they're going to type in, because that's what I'd type in. That's what the average person would type into the search bar. So that's what you want to do with your title. But definitely, guys, you need to, whatever game you play in, break it up into 3 lanes. Guides, try and make a settings video. Play around with the settings and try and save. Try and get yourself some FPS. If you can get some better performance, you can upload that as a video. Upload what you found as a settings video. Obviously, SEO it properly. You know, when I say SEO, I mean you want to get your tags correct. To make all your tags searchable. For example, I've put in the individual missions here in Evaldi's riddles. Alien's footfall taking route. You know, how to solve Evaldi's riddles. These are the sort of tags you're going to want to do. You know, highly searchable tags. Now, for me, this has worked amazingly. Because like I said, I mean, I get about 50 to 100 average views on my Let's Plays, which is great. For 432 subscribers, I've been doing this for 6 months. This is just what I've learned over 6 months. And it works for me. it's great for my amount of subs, but this is crazy for my amount of subs. 10,000 views, almost 10,000 views. This is only 2 weeks old. And these videos are still gaining views. In 6 months' time, these videos could have 1 million views. They're well on the way, wouldn't you say? Right, so they're definitely the sort of videos you want to make, and I'll show you why. Because as I said a minute ago, they're here. Okay, you can see that they are clearly here, gaining views every 48 hours. The Let's Plays aren't there, they are. You come across here, monetization. I've been doing this 6 months. I'm not even halfway to subs, and I've almost completed my watch hours, and that isn't live streaming, or it's definitely not my shorts, because my shorts get thousands of views, but they don't get any watch time, because they're only like 20 seconds. Right, this is, I mean, Avaldis Riddles has got about, let's have a look. Like, this is I'll give you an example. Have a look at Avaldis Riddles. 459 hours on its own. That's insane. That's 15%, pretty much. What's that? Well, that's about 15%. Around there. That's around 15 to 20% of the way to monetization in one video. And you can make multiple of these, and you can make it for whatever game you're playing. You know, you can see, like, this one, it's almost at 400 watch hours, and this has only been out for 2 weeks. And it's getting 424 views. Look at the views. Like, they will just keep gaining views, and that is what you want. You want to keep gaining views, because these bring in subs as well, guys. You know, I've already got 19 subs from this one. And these aren't sub for subs or anything like that. These are genuine YouTube users that have watched my settings video, want to see more. But they've subscribed, which is excellent. So this not only cranks up your views, which is obviously when you get monetized, you don't get paid for subscribers, you get paid for views. So this cranks up your views, you know, and it cranks up your subscribers at the same time. So it's just a little strategy that I found, guys. Taking a game, splitting it up into 3 lanes, Let's Play, guides, settings videos. That's the 3 lanes I think you should do, because then you can maximize your Let's Play from one game. You can spend your £50 on a game, and you can maximize the amount of stuff on YouTube, the amount of views and subscribers you can get from that series. And that's what I've been doing, and it's been working for me. I'm quite proud of my progress. I'm almost halfway, 6 months, I'm almost halfway to monetization, and my bloody watch hours, I'm almost there anyway. So, and that's just simply because of these. And you can see these are all settings and how to find this and how to find that sort of videos. I hope this little strategy helped you. If it did, smash a like on the video. It'd be invaluable to me, my friends. Hit me in the comments if you've got any questions, because I probably imagine a few of you are going to have some questions about this. Definitely hit me in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Also, let me know in the comments if this worked for you, because I'd love to know if this strategy worked for you guys as well, because it's working for me. And that's why I shared it with you, because, you know, us small YouTubers have got to stick together. I feel like a lot of us have got to help each other out in this situation, because it is hard to grow on YouTube. If anybody comes onto YouTube expecting to blow up, it's just very unlikely. There's so little people that blow up. I mean, I'm part of a community with hundreds of people. You know, like there's hundreds of small creators that I've made friends with, and I work with, and they'll all tell you it's tough. It's really, really tough. And this is a strategy that I believe will help on your YouTube journey. It will help you get monetized, and it will probably help beyond that, because you still don't forget these videos will stay in the bank. These videos will be gaining views for months and months and months, maybe even years. So when you do get monetized, that's another thing. You do want these sort of videos, because the views would be rolling in, which means the money would be coming in. You know? Because a lot of people get monetized and make no money because they're still getting 30 views a video. With a whole bank of these sort of videos, you'll still be getting thousands of views a day. And that is moolah, baby. So I hope this video helped you. As I said, if it did, please smash that like button. It'd be invaluable to me. Let me know in the comments if you've got any questions. And I'll see you for the next one, my friends. Peace out.